Hey Lena, have you thought about your plans for next week?
I actually sat down yesterday and planned everything. Next week is going to be really busy. On Monday, I'm having my hair cut after work because it's been driving me crazy.
I know that feeling. I'm getting my nails done on Tuesday. I've had no time lately, so they look awful.
Same here. I feel like all I do is work. What else are you doing?
On Wednesday, I have to get my laptop fixed. It suddenly stopped working properly, and I can't do my job without it.
That's stressful. I had my phone repaired a few weeks ago, and it took much longer than I expected.
I hope it won't be the same for me. Then on Thursday, I'm having my flat cleaned. I could do it myself, but I'd rather pay someone and save time.
Honestly, that's a good idea. I'm getting a couple of parcels delivered next week, so I'll probably stay at home one evening to wait for them.
That's still quite relaxing. Are you planning anything fun?
Yes, on Saturday I'm having my eyebrows done, and after that I'm meeting some friends for dinner. I really need a break.
Sounds perfect. I might get my car checked next week as well, just to be safe.
Look at us. We're not just making plans, we're actually getting things done.